Hello, in this video I will show you how you can filter out products so you can sell only what you want. Go to Export Profiles, press Edit, go to Filter, and here you can see all the attributes you have, so you can filter out products by any attribute you want. I will show you example with category. You can choose like certain category, you can choose several categories if you wish, or you can choose categories not empty. That means products only from mapped categories will be in your shop imported. You can add more filters, for example, filter products by quantity, or you can choose, for example, by price range, by manufacturer, and so on. So all these filters will be applied for all products from all suppliers you have. Or if you have one, it will be for all products. If you have several suppliers, you can add filter groups. So each group for each supplier if you want. Or for example, for one supplier, one group, and another group for other two suppliers, for example, if you wish. So, for example, this product group will be for supplier number one, and you add different filters. And for example, this group will be for our two suppliers, and you can have like different filtering here. And if you choose filtering by groups, so for each different supplier, you add different filtering. Don't forget here on the top, only on the top here, choose or. So system will look for the products from this supplier. These filters will be applied from these two suppliers. Only these filters will be applied. So it's important, and basically it.